Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will go through a quick introduction to Python file handling. We use file handling when we want our programs to interact with files to read, write, append, or even delete content on the file system. Whether you are saving user input, generating reports, storing logs, or accessing configuration data, file handling becomes extremely useful. So what is file handling? File handling simply means working with external files from your Python program. Let's say you have a text file called data.txt, and inside that file you've stored names, ages, or maybe student grades. Using Python, you can open that file, read from it, write into it, or update it, and all of this can be done while your program is running. This allows your code to save data permanently instead of just printing things to the console. Why is file handling important? Let's say you are building a notes app. You want to let users type notes and save them to a file. When the app is closed, all notes must be saved. When it opens again, it should load them from the file. Or imagine a login system. You might want to save all registered users in a file for later verification. So file handling allows your program to interact with the real world beyond just memory. How to do file handling in Python? Python gives us a built-in function called open to handle files. The syntax looks like this: open, then parentheses, then inside quotes, the file name and a mode like R, W, or A. So what are these modes? Let's understand the most common file modes. First, R stands for read mode. This means we're opening the file to read its content. The file must already exist, otherwise Python will throw an error. Next, W stands for write mode. This is used to create or overwrite a file. If the file already exists, it deletes everything inside it first. Then we have A for append mode. This allows us to add new data to the end of a file without deleting existing content. And finally, X for exclusive creation. This will create a new file, but if the file already exists, Python will throw an error. We can also add a plus sign to combine reading and writing, like R plus for reading and writing, or W plus for writing and reading. How to read the file content? Once a file is opened in read mode, you can use methods like read method to read the entire file, readLine method to read one line at a time, readLines method to read all lines into a list. Let's say the file has 5 lines. If we call read method, we get all 5 lines as one big string. If we use readLine method, we get the first line, and if we use readLines method, we get a list of all lines. How to write content to a file? When you open a file in write or append mode, you can use the write method to add content. Remember, if you open the file in write mode, it will delete any previous data first, so always be careful with W. After you are done working with a file, you should close it to free system resources. We do this using file.close method. So far you've learned what is file handling and why we need it, the syntax to open a file in Python, different modes, read, write, append, and exclusive, how to read or write content, and why closing a file is important. This is the foundation you need, and in the next lecture we'll move to practical code examples. You will see how to create files, read lines, update content, and handle file related exceptions. Great work so far, and I'll see you in the next one.